Hi, good day to you and thank you for joining with me. Let me take to you in my research proposal, the effect of health education through mobile phone application to support heart failure self-care management. Introduction. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the world, claiming about 17.9 million live every year. Prevalence in Southeast Asia, about 9 million people suffer from the disease. In Indonesia itself, there is an increase in the prevalence of heart and blood vessel disease from year to year. At least 15 out of 1,000 Indonesians, or around more than 2 million individuals in Indonesia, suffer from heart. The geographic distribution of patients, long travel distance, time required, lack of resources, and cost. So that educational support for heart failure patient is difficult to provide post-discharge. Sophisticated self-management education programs, such as web-based methods and wireless network, can create change in patient behavior to improve self-care. The research problem, conventional methods used to improve self-care, such as providing printed materials, leaflet, educational booklets, have not maximized their effect. Patients tend to feel less informed so that they don't understand well the management and heart failure disease itself. Even the provision of direct education by health workers cannot be relied upon entirely because patients don't understand very well about the medical term presented. Some can understand when they are first informed, but they understand will disappear over time. Advanced self-management education programs such as web-based methods and wireless network can create change in patient behavior to improve patient self-care and quality of life. Education and counseling services are needed that allow patients not to prevent health services that can facilitate heart failure patient to optimize self-care while at home. An important reason for conducting research is how the effect of health education through mobile phone application to support heart failure self-care management. Research objective. To support the heart failure self-care management before treatment health education through mobile phone application, to support the heart failure self-care management after treatment health education through mobile phone application, to seek out the effect of health education through mobile phone application to support heart failure self-care management. Literature review. Heart failure is a chronic disease characterized by typical symptoms, dyspnea and activity intolerance that may be accompanied by elevated jugular venous pressure, pulmonary crackles, and peripheral edema. The promotion of self-care in people with chronic disease is essential throughout the life cycle due to its impact on morbidity, mortality, or hospital readmission due to heart failure decompensation. People with heart failure should adhere to pharmacological treatment, maintain a healthy diet, cease tobacco use, restrict the consumption of alcohol beverage, exercise regularly, and watch and monitor their signs and symptoms, which will enable them to adapt their behavior in the self-management of the disease, which may include the use of health service. Research methodology. Data collection method. Make a research permit the office, conduct a preliminary survey at a hospital cardiac polyclinic in Bengkulu City, preparation of mobile phone application and scenarios for research data collection. Sampling technique. The population in this study was all people with heart failure at a hospital cardiac polyclinic in Bengkulu City. Using a total sampling technique, all people with heart failure at a hospital cardiac polyclinic in Bengkulu City. The sample was chosen based on inclusion criteria enter the present study. The inclusion criteria content have a smartphone or Android tablet and the ability to use these devices experiencing class 2 and 3 heart failure according to the New York Heart Association classification, having been hospitalized due to a severe heart failure based on prescription. The following exclusion criteria were also observed. Failure to use the application, patient should enter the program using their password and where they monitor and patient death. Measuring technique. Self-care measuring instrument using the self-care of heart failure index. Psychometric testing of the self-care of the heart failure index was developed by Riegel, Carlson, Severn, Hicks, and Roland. This instrument is used to assess the client self-care ability with reference to the notion of self-care itself, consisting of 22 question items divided into 3 dimensions, namely self-care maintenance, self-care management, and self-care confidence. A randomized quasi-experimental study will be implemented, allowing heart failure patients to participate in a mobile phone application. The analysis was performed using paired T-sample t-test to compare post-knowledge scores. Percent correlational analysis is applied to determine whether any socio-demographic variables, age, length of suffering from the disease, education, occupation, are associated with the score. To measure about the knowledge of congestive heart failure patient. Research question. HO. There is no significant effect of health education to mobile phone application to support heart failure self-care management. HA, there is significant effect of health education through mobile phone application to support heart failure self-care management. Duration or time frame, this research will be carried out at a hospital cardiac polyclinic in Bengkulu City in 2022. And these references. Okay, that bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.